Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix gaps on Tradingview charts. If you've ever scrolled through a chart and stumbled across empty spaces between one candle and the next, you are seeing gaps. They're common in markets that pause overnight or on weekends, and sometimes they're simply the result of your chart not showing after-hours data. Today, I'll walk you through a few reliable ways to either fill those spaces with available data or manage how they appear so your analysis stays clean and consistent. First, try enabling extended hours. Right-click anywhere on the chart. Open Settings, go to the Symbol tab, and under Session, choose Extended Hours. This tells Tradingview to include pre-market, after hours, or overnight trading when the data exists, which often fills the empty space between one session's close and the next open. This is especially useful for stocks and futures. If your symbol doesn't trade around the clock or your data plan doesn't include those sessions, you may not see much change, and that's normal. Next, add the built-in gaps indicator to quickly identify and manage gaps that do occur. Open the Indicators window, search for gaps, and add it to your chart. By default, it automatically highlights price areas where the market jumped. To fine-tune it, open the Indicators settings. Increase or decrease the minimal deviation to filter out tiny, irrelevant gaps or to capture even the small ones. Turn on Close Gaps partially if you want the tool to track how much of a gap has been filled over time. And if your chart is getting cluttered, enable the option to hide filled gaps, so you are only focusing on the ones still open. If you prefer a continuous look, you can apply a community script designed to remove the visual gap altogether. In the Indicators tab, search for scripts like No Gaps Candles or Gap Removal Indicator. These tools redraw candles so the chart appears smooth and uninterrupted. Keep in mind, this is purely visual. It doesn't change the underlying data, and it can shift the way wicks and bodies line up across time. Use it when you want a cleaner view, but toggle it off if you need exact historical positioning. Finally, consider switching your chart type to step line. This style carries the last price forward until the next print, which naturally softens the appearance of gaps. It's less common for candlestick analysis, but it's helpful if continuity is your priority. Combine these approaches as needed. Include extended hours when available. Highlight or hide gaps with the gaps indicator. Customize the detection and use visual smoothing when it serves your analysis.